Hi! Inside of this lecture, we're going to see what is a SAT. So there is a data structure called hash SAT, and it's very similar to arrays, but with a big major difference. So it's written like this, SAT, and you can call SAT with hash SAT type. Now, the major difference between arrays and SATs that a number or a string or any type of value can be present in a set only once. So you cannot have the same value more than once inside of a hash set. We're going to see what a hash map is. Now we're interested in hash set, okay? So choose hash set from here and open this angular braces and write string. For example, you can store any type that you want over here, and I'm gonna call this my set, and this will be initialized as we did in the array list as well. After that, you can actually add any element that you want like we did in the array list as well. So you can just say myset.add, and it will expect some string. For example, give James, and over here add James one more time, and in an exact way that you have written. For example, if you have written with an uppercase J, then you should write it with an uppercase J one more time, because over here I'm going to see the size of my set. So if you do my set.size, it will print out the current numbers of elements inside of your set. You can use this in your array list as well. For example, you can do something like my musicians.size over here, and you're gonna get the number of the current elements inside of your my musicians list. So if we run this, you will see that in the musicians you get 4, but in my set you only get 1, because you have only James. Even though you try to add James 2 times over here, you couldn't, because set only consists of unique elements. Okay? So there is not much to talk about over here, because it's basically the same thing with array list, but you can only have one value only one time over here. It's all unique elements. So we're going to stop here, and we're going to continue with the hash map, which is much more commonly used in Android application development.